Toad Data Point has a basic FTP utility off of the View menu. Enter your connection information. And then you can upload and download files as you see fit. This utility can also be used in automation. To do so, add an FTP activity that's located underneath the File Activities group. Click the ellipsis button to choose an existing connection, or you can create a new one. Now remember, when you have a connection and you use it in automation, you have to save the password because you won't be there to enter it when it is being used in schedule mode. Then click on the Define Operations to bring up this display window. Choose your operation, whether you're uploading or downloading files. Then go ahead and double click on a file to say that you wanted to choose it. In this case, I'm downloading this file, and it goes and displays itself in this file list of my collection of files. If I find I want to edit this list, I just choose a file and then I can remove it. And then you just click OK and run the script. It will simply connect to the FTP server, follow your instructions of locating that particular file, and then downloading it to the area that you wanted it downloaded to. And then you will see a hyperlink here to the local file. Now if you want, you can also add a filter. So you can grab multiple files with similar names. In this case, if I wanted to put in a PDF as an extension, I could download all the PDF files. I could also filter by date. This would be all files that were modified in the last week or month, or I could have a custom date range. So let's look at a realistic example of how I might use this. I have a vendor that supplies files of contact lists, and he uploads them to my FTP site weekly. So let's take a look at what these look like and how I would download them. He uploads them into a directory here, which I have other things other than these files, but here they are here. Now they're not the same name, of course, but they have similar naming convention, all starting with marketing in the region. And then when he's done uploading them, he adds a file that says marketing ready text, so that I know that he's done, because I never know how many files there are that he's going to upload for that week. So the way I might do this is I would use a mask here. I could put the extension XLSX and then something that would catch a filter for all these files. That's probably good enough right there. And then let's set where I want them to go. Let's put them in a separate directory on my drive. Now what I want to do is only download those if that one file exists. So I'm going to put a filter on this. So I only want to do it if the remote file exists. So let's go ahead and execute this. So now it did find that file, it did download those items, and here is the local directory with my marketing files. So this can be part of a weekly process of utilizing FTP, and it makes it very flexible, and it handles all of my automation needs.